get old too soon, and why it's too late. Let's just see what teens' careless actions nowadays create. Sex, money, drugs, alcohol, and love. No matter how we excuse them, our lives include all of the above. We rely on these things in order to fit in to a world that's core is rotting from within. Girls using our bodies as attention method, try and lead just once. That's funny. Don't you get it? Sex, alcohol, and the current fad. They're all addictions. The world's a natural trap. Girls will stand in the mirror looking for imperfection. If I could change just this, I might achieve perfection. Suppressing who we truly are, causing inner confusion, all thanks to this mindset, this simple illusion, like love being the most sacred thing, ignoring all the pressures and pains that it brings. Boys, to start what's related with sex, the mindset of pleasure, the mediocre of sex. Manipulating females to not knowing what you're worth, then 9 months later, you're nowhere to be found at your own child's birth. But then again, teenage girls are at fault for being so stupid, so rarely appalled. I mean, they dated the gangster or the pretty boy that will use and abuse you like his own personal toy. Wait, what? You're shocked that he's not the one? The guy with the history of smush that he's done? Are you blind not to see this from miles away? Or naive for thinking for you he'll change his way? Girls and boys focus on the outer shell, hoping that on the inside everything will be well. Well, shallowness has made its course, thanks to fashion, the media, Justin Bieber, of course. Alright guys, who here's making it rain? Better yet, who considers marijuana a grain? No hands raised? Curious, in fact. Simply buried our confidence in technology at that. Or maybe it's just that we're falsely presenting who we are, what we think, what is our soul that we're denting. Being considered cool is beneficial, you think? You'll soon find out true corruption and happiness are two things that don't link. It's coming! Watch out, world destruction is near! When you realize that outcasts your most threatening fear, in the end, they will be the ones to prevail. Well, the cool kids are checking in and out of jail. Or maybe they'll be selling things on the street, like drugs to their bodies. Golly, how sweet. If you don't get my point, I'll conclude it with this. Don't follow the trend, say the vibe, blow a kiss. To sex, drugs, alcohol, the pleasurable destruction. Welcome to the unmanageable world of teenage corruption.